Come on, turn on the light. Turn on. All right. And right there, isn't it? And bright, Woo! Ooh, bright. Come on, get it. Come on, get it. There it is. Turn it on. There you go. Woo!
Oh my gosh.
That fan's securely bolted into the ceiling, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I ask you after he's been doing this for like 30 minutes.
Okay, dude. Let it go. Grandpa's getting tired. Oh, holding you up. Not even, man. Okay.
One more time.
Go.
Come on.
Up we go. 1, 2, 3.
One more time.
Grab it.